Hi viewers, my name is Ahmed Amar and I welcome you to Witinfotech. Today's video is about how to install WordPress locally. So let's get started. First, open your browser, type Bitnami WordPress. Click on the first link. It will take you to Bitnami WordPress site. Click on Windows, Mac, Linux. Scroll down. I'm using Windows, so I download for Windows. Click on no thanks, just take me to download. When the downloading complete, open the .exe file. Click OK. Click on next, next, next. Type login ID. Type your password. Re-enter your password. Click on next. Click on next, 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 next. The installation is started. It will take hardly 10 to 5 minutes. When the installation complete, click on finish. It will open a new page on your browser. Click on Access WordPress. It will open your brand new website. Type wp admin in URL bar. Type the login ID and password which you choose in installation time. Click on login. It will take you to the dashboard of your WordPress site. You can customize your website according to your style. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, share with your loved ones. Thank you. Have a good day.